네, 저는 지금 이제 이탈리아 시칠리아 이 팔레르모 공항에 내려서 1유로하우스 진행할 1유로하우스 진행할 살렘이라는 그런 지역으로 이동하기 위해서 여기서 또 미리 이제 택시를 예약을 해놨는데 택시를 타고 1시간 정도 가야 된다고 합니다. 택시를 타고 1시간 정도 가야 된다. 원유로하우스 진행될 곳은 다 다릅니다. 여기 지자체를 만나서 또 협의를 해서 여러분들이 정말 적은 돈으로 소유권을 이전할 수 있는 그런 것을 협의를 한번 해보겠습니다. Are you sure? Price? The price? Are you sure?
Partially renovated.
네.
And it is a very interesting price. So now you have to forget of the prices because it is
프라이스 가격이 굉장히 좋다. Are you sure? Price? The price? Are you sure?
Been patient, trying patience. Start to take a chance on what I believe in. We should take a walk on the moon. We could chase down a shooting star, or maybe two. What you waiting for? We got nothing to lose. Do you believe? Come with me.
humidity here, but it goes all around the courtyard. It was already, but now it could be a big kitchen maybe, or a big playroom, you know. That room over there is beautiful. You can put a fireplace, or maybe big table play. Let's visit the ground floor. Let's see.
이거 얼마나 되는
How many? The arch is different because the Arab is much more, you know, like
Sharp shape.
sharp. Exactly. This is not Arab. So it's newer. So I would say 6 to 400 years old is the range. I'm gonna show you in another house another Arab arch so you can see it better. And we just talk about the basement. Then the floor upstairs are newer.
건물 상태가 그래도 이 정도면 지저분해서 그렇지 상태는 굉장히 좋네.
I know, but it's long time people don't live here.
이 건물이? 오. Upstairs too?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Let's go.
Upstairs is beautiful. There are two terraces, very beautiful terraces.
Okay.
Let me show you the wall apartment. It is made by two apartments.
아 여기는 바닥이 없어요.
This is the white apartment, and then we have the red apartment. Let me show you. A kitchen.
여기는 뭐 키친이구나.
Small. Toilet here. Upstairs there is just a room, no dressing room. This other big room. Then we come to the red apartment.
레드. 이쪽은 레드. 바닥이 레드.
There's a toilet here.
욕실이고.
You can come.
아 여기는 바닥이 없어요.
This is the white. You have this side. So if you want to come to this red apartment, you can split in two. And you can come with the dedicated entrance to the red apartment. So it could be just one big, huge apartment, or maybe split in two different apartments with two entrances. And look, these electrics are new, plumbings are new. So you don't need to destroy and then build again. It's just, okay, of course, we have to clean because it's a long time. And you can see even if you look at this, the decent
발이 큰 거지 뭐.
it's not old. I mean, it's a dating system, hot water and cold water. It's really modern. I want to show you. It is made by three. You arrived yesterday. You knew it, yeah? Last year.